Hola a todos. I'm George Abraham and I'm a student at Maitris. I moved to Puerto Rico in September last year, prior to which I enrolled for a course at Maitris, and I'm so happy I did that because when I spent like 2 to 3 months over there, I gained a lot. It put me in a position of some comfort to at least uh, communicate a little bit with folks around me. When I came here, I joined a renowned global institute for Spanish, and I was there for a couple of months. And the amount of progress I made there was very little compared to what I had initially made at Maitreys. So I reached out to Shahir and I requested to be able to continue my course via Skype, and I'm so happy I did that because today I continue to join his classes, and it's convenient. Saturdays and Sundays for a couple of hours each day, and I continue to make a lot of progress, much more progress than I did with the local institute over here. What I really like about Shahir's course is, first of all, his method of instruction. He's very patient, very clear, and gives very helpful tips that make it practical, and also helps in absorbing those concepts that help us play with the language at a later point in time. I also really enjoy the overall mode of instruction because that became very clear to me after I joined this local institute and figured out that the method of instruction is so important because we are all different, in the way in which we learn, and in the way in which we absorb concepts and tools and how we use them. I have seen myself make significant progress in Shahir's class, and I'm actually looking forward to continuing for a number of months more because I want to get really good at the language, and I have immense confidence and comfort with a teacher like Shahir and an institute like Maitris. I'm so happy that, in today's world, we can just connect remotely and leverage the most out of a class that's in Hyderabad, all the way from Puerto Rico. All the best to Maitris and Shahir, and thank you so much for all that you've done to contribute to my learning and help me become more fluent in the language. Muchas gracias.
Hi, I joined Shahir's Spanish classes during the lockdown just to do something different. But one thing that has been very consistent is the fun factor. He always keeps it easy, and it's a lot of interaction, and learning a new language is supposed to be fun, and Shahir manages to do that. So and it's been more than just a couple of weeks for me. I'm doing my A1.2 right now, and I'm sure with everything working out, I will continue and progress with the further levels. So I'm really looking forward to the future, and every class is a lot of fun and a lot of learning, which is kind of the whole point. So well done, Shahid. Thank you.
Hola everyone, this is Divya. I have been learning Spanish in Maitri since last 6 weeks, and it has been quite a good learning journey yet. And all the sessions here is quite interactive and interesting. So learning is not boring, and it is quite fun. And Sair makes sure that everyone is learning effectively in the sessions. And I would say you should give a try for learning a new language, as I was interested to learn Spanish since last 5 years, but finally I enrolled, and I am happy that I joined the online session. Thank you.
Hola, my name is Shravan. I'm working as a Spanish specialist for Nokia in Bangalore. I come from an electrical background. I wanted to start my career with MNC. So while researching, I got to know that learning the foreign language will make easy to get into MNC, which is why I have selected Spanish language. As we know, the Spanish language is an official language in 20 countries across 4 continents. And then I got into Maitris institution, where it really helped me a lot to learn the language with good faculty and friendly environment. And Maitris institution makes learning easy. So I'm happy that I have selected Maitris institution. And thank you for Shahir Saini.
everyone. I started learning Spanish only 1.5 months back. I got an excellent teacher. Shahir knows just how to teach you. It's very simple and he makes us understand things really well. I'm not able to believe that in such a short time I have come this far. All thanks to Shahir. He knows how to extract